Pairing this two with Dieho or TZ was a game changer. This was so delicious. So I did not want to wait before sharing this video. And do you know the good news? It is so simple to make. So we are making Dieho stew today. And please, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my jomi here, or palm oil. I'll go ahead and add my natural herbs and spice and then give it a stir. I just want the oil to be more flavorful. Okay, if today is the first time here, hello, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So after waiting for a while, go ahead and add my tomato sauce and then give it a stir. If you want the recipe for the tomato sauce, please check it out on my YouTube channel at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. It actually makes cooking easier. Okay, so after adding that, I'll go ahead and wait for some few minutes and then we are good to go. Because we are using tomato sauce, this is going to make our cooking very easy, and we are not going to wait for the water to drain before we proceed. Okay, yes, I will then add my tomato paste. You can omit it, but today I feel like adding it to my stew. I'm not a fan of tomato paste like that, but today I decided to use it, so you can omit it. I will then add my shrimp powder and then my fish powder. So I added 1 cup each, and this added some taste and took the stew to the next level. It was so nice. So that is the fish powder that I've added. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. And to my returning followers, thank you so much. Okay, please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others so that we will get more followers and subscribers. Thank you so much. I will then add my protein. So that is my tripe, some beef, goat meat. I have some intestine as well in that, and I added some goat meat seasoning and salt with some herbs and natural spice. So we are not going to add any seasoning to our stew here, and the meat contains some pepper as well. So as you can see, it was so simple for us to combine everything, and then we are good to go. Now it has been on fire for some few minutes, like 20 minutes, and this is how it looks. The oil can be scooped. Okay, so please do not come after me in the comment section that I'll get liver problems, as some of you have been doing. Okay, yes, I know I can scoop it. So now I've added some Dawadawa powder. You can prepare your Dieho stew with Dawadawa. That makes it more healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for your time once again. I'm just going to wait for extra 10 minutes and then we are done. So this is how now our stew is looking. It is so delicious and it is ready. I added some chili and then basil that I got from my garden, and oh my goodness, this added some flavor to our stew. And now it is ready. We pair this with our Dieho, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you. Thank you, and please take care of yourself. See you in the next one. I love you.